Hello guys, today we are going to be installing Git and customizing the interface. So open your favorite browser and navigate to gitscm.com/downloads. I'll leave the link in the description below. So download for Windows. Okay, so once the download is complete, just double click the installer to install it. Okay, so once it's done, launch it. So this is the default interface you get with this really long stuff there. We are going to be customizing it to look cool. Okay, so first of all, you will need two things: the bash profile, which I have written for you. It's available on my GitHub page. I'll leave the link in the description below. So you come to this page, use the link to this page, then download the zip. Once downloaded, you can unzip it into any folder you want. And also you would want to download Cascadia code. I'll leave the link in the description as well, or you can just search in your web browser for Cascadia code font, and it will probably lead you to this page, so you can download them as well. Okay, so once you have these two files or folders, let's continue. So when you extract the bash profile, you should have something like this: and a MIA terminal config and a bash profile. So what you are going to do is navigate to your users directory. Okay, so if you can't find your users directory here, you can just open any folder. Let's say the bin, which is the recycle bin. Go to local disk, users, then your name. So after your name, just so once you are here in the users directory, just copy these two, copy them to the root directory. So copy to Musa, which will be your name. So now we have the MIA terminal config here, and then the bash profile here. Okay, so now right click anywhere in the root directory of the users folder, come to more options and hit git bash here. Now we are just going to rename these files just to add a dot in the beginning, but Windows will not allow you to do this, so we have to do this in the terminal. So you just say mv, then Okay, first of all, let's make sure you are in the right directory. So you can say pwd, which is print working directory. So I'm in C users and Musa. So clear. Then you say mv, then the name of the folder, which is mia dash terminal dash config. Then you add, you leave a space and dots, the same name, mia terminal dash config. So we've renamed it. So if you check here, you would see that it has now moved to .mia terminal config. Then you do the same for the bash profile. So you say mv bash underscore profile dot bash underscore profile and hit OK. So now all you have to do is restart git bash. Okay, so before you restart git bash, let's install the fonts we downloaded. So the Cascadia code. So when you come to this page, you can hit download Cascadia code, the source code, and download. I've already downloaded that, so I'll cancel it. Then you come to your downloads, compressed, then extract the files here. Okay, so once the extraction is done, open into the TTF static, select, you can select all with Control A and right click on any of it and then say install. So it's going to install all these fonts. I think I have one of them already installed, so I'm just going to say no. Okay, so once this is done, you can close this folder for now. Then you can right click anywhere, come to more options and hit git bash here. And you should see that now you have a much better look of the terminal. So just click on the logo, that F5 icon or the logo, which one of them. Come to options, hit text, and then change the font to search for Cascadia. You can search for Cascadia code or Cascadia mono, which one of them you are comfortable with. I'm going to go with Cascadia code and then increase the font to like 14. Let me say 14. Hit apply. So have a much bigger window. Now I think I'll make it 12. Yeah, I think 12 is better. Then you can do this and apply to see the fonts you like, if it's okay for you before you actually go on. So I kind of like the Cascadia code, so I'm just going to apply and hit OK. So hit apply, hit save. Okay, so We've successfully customized our bash with our custom bash profile. As usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in another video. Thank you.